welcome to Become You. My name is Coach Cristal, and I am an NAFC certified personal trainer. Don't forget to subscribe below, right down there, to the Become You YouTube channel. All right, we got a fun new video. Today we're here with...
I'm Eileen Ramos, and I'll be your yoga teacher for today. And I actually teach right now in Anytime Fitness in Fort BGC and also in Beyond Surrendra. Today we're going to be talking about the intro to yoga. I'll teach you the basic poses for now, wherein you can just, stretch out, basic poses, and sun salutation probably.
That sounds awesome. All right, I can't wait for sun salutations. Let's get relaxed and enjoy this beautiful yoga session. Let's get to it.
So now we're going to do the breath work first, just to focus and just to meditate first. So close your eyes first. Okay. And then from there, just try to straighten your spine as much as you can. Okay. Roll your shoulder up and then backwards. Good. And then from there, pull the ribs in. Pull the ribs in. Very good. You can bring your hands on top of your knees, palms down or up. But then just to relax the shoulder, it's better to palms up. There. And that would open the shoulders more. Okay. She's sitting up properly already. So try to be as comfortable as you can in this pose first. Okay, let's just do some cleansing breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale with your mouth open. Good. And then from there, start breathing in through your nose. Inhale through your nose. Keeping your lips closed, exhale through your nose. Good. Inhale, let your belly rise. Ribs rise, chest rise. On an exhale, chest goes down, ribs goes in, belly relaxes. And then she will just continue breathing that way throughout the practice. So let's come first into tabletop position, all fours. So from there, let's spread your wrists as wide as your shoulders. Good. Spread your fingers as much as you can, palms flat. And then from there, spread your fingers, lift your fingertips up, and then press all four corners of your palms. Good. From there, claw your fingertips in until it turns wide. Okay. Now, start rotating your triceps outward. Let the eye of the elbow, this is the eye of the elbow, the front part of your elbow, face forward. Okay. And then from there, draw the shoulders down. Very good. So you see that, if you can see that here, it spreads out. Hold the belly in, pull the ribs in, and then reach your tailbone towards the back. Good. Crown of the head reaches towards the front, back of your neck pressed up towards the ceiling. Very good. Now she's engaged. Next, we're going to come into cat and cow. So from tabletop position, you're going to inhale. On an inhale, let your belly drop down on the mat. Good. Squeeze the shoulder blades. You can bend the elbows a little bit. Bend it a little bit, soft bend. And then push your chest forward, sternum forward. Good. On an exhale, you're going to chin to chest, round your spine, push it into cat, like an angry cat on a Halloween. Good. There's a little bit of contraction for your abs there as well. Let's do this about, let's say 5 times. Go ahead. Move it. With your breath, inhale, that's cow. On an exhale, back to cat. Chin to chest, round your spine, belly in.
Thank you so much. This is the end of our intro to yoga sequence.
Thank you for having me, Crystal.
I feel so rejuvenated, so relaxed. I feel like there's a newfound confidence in me after this practice.
And then I hope to see you on the mat so you can improve your flexibility.
Yes, gonna get that. I want to say thank you to my sponsor today, Buffet Philippines, for amazing workout clothes.
Follow me on my Instagram, Eileen Y. Ramos, for any news that I'll be cooking up for you soon.
Don't forget, there's a subscribe button below for the Become You channel. So subscribe. Also follow myself on Instagram, Miss Cristal. And that is the end of our yoga.
Namaste.
Namaste, guys. See ya.
So, Crystal, I want to ask you, are you ready to be committed and engaged?
I'm scared, but yes, let's try.
Okay.